tensing up.
I'm not.
You are. Your back's tense and it's making the rifle jump. You're holding it wrong. Here, let me show you.
I don't need you to show me, Paul.
I guess not.
You'll show me and you'll just run off again or something. It's better I teach myself.
I ain't going nowhere.
Whatever you say, Paul.
Don't be like that.
Sorry.
Wolf's been after the herd. Gotta get out there and scare them off. You wanna come with me? Safer with two.
Okay.
All right, let's go. Stay on Rufus now. Let's go.
I can shoot. You know that. Why you gotta treat me like a kid?
It's what fathers do. I'm just trying to look out for you.
You can't just decide to be a father when it suits you. What about the rest of the time?
Come on, Jack. That ain't exactly fair.
One minute you're telling me to be a man, the next you're telling me I'm just a boy.
It's gonna take a while for things to get back to normal.
Normal? Was it ever normal?
I don't know, but it'll get better, son. I promise.
I'm sorry, Paul.
You don't need to be.
I don't mean to be moody. I'm glad you're home. I really am. It's just every time you go off, well, I worry you're not coming back.
I swear, if it was down to me, I'd never have gone anywhere.
They can't make you, can they?
It's complicated, but it seems they can.
Yeah, I know. I wouldn't understand.
Just some things you start have to be finished.
What was your father like?
I didn't really know him. He died when I was just a boy.
Died of what?
Why do you want to know?
Well, it just sounds like a good story, that's all.
It really ain't. He died in a bar fight. At least, that's what they told me. Jack, he's found a scent. Don't fall behind! Come on. Where are them wolves, boy? Whoa. Go get him, boy.
Find us a wolf, boy.
Come on.
Get after him, boy.
Look, son. He sniffed him out. Watch yourself now, son. They might turn on us. Jack, they're up ahead.
There you go. Let's go.
Look out, Jack. They're attacking. Come on. Come on.
This is what you get for stealing our cattle.
Go get him, son. Come. Go.
How many are there? Easy.
Don't let him get away.
You can't be tired already.
Come on.
They don't look too happy.
Load up now. Got it.
Come on, you can't stop now.
It's off, soft on the trigger now.
There you go. Whoa!
Whoa!
Don't give up now. Let's keep moving.
Don't let him get too close. Easy.
This one's mine.
Let's go.
Get him, Paul.
All right, we should head back now. We got out further than I thought. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go. Come on. Come on. You're turned into a decent hunter, son. But try to stay out of trouble.